If you have a Ram 1500 DS, then you should keep watching this video as these models have an issue with the rear upper and lower trailing arm bushes. Because the Ram 1500 is an excellent vehicle with plenty of power and torque, plus it's also coil sprung all around, keeping it comfortable, it causes all of that power and torque to go to the rear axle, which then heavily loads those rear trailing arm bushes, causing them to significantly wear or even completely fail in low mileage vehicles. When these bushes get worn, it causes the rear axle to walk around, and then that gives you handling problems, wheel alignment issues, plus also vibration. The solution to this problem was thought up by SuperPro's engineers with these trailing arm bushes. Now these bushes have been designed with a high durometer, which basically means they're more durable, plus they're also maintenance free. And you also get the SuperPro lifetime warranty. This will fix the issues of the rear axle walking around, allowing you to put that power to the ground so much better. The key benefits of SuperPro's polyurethane bushes is that they're not affected by water, oil, coolant, or even temperatures. Plus, compared to rubber bushes, there's no added noise, vibration, or harshness, and they last a lot longer. If you're wanting to get yourself a set of these bushes for your Ram 1500 DS, then you can get a set from the Fulcrum website by clicking the link in the video. Or otherwise guys, if you have any other questions, please feel free to leave them down below in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Otherwise guys, get out there and go exploring.